lot of customers they ask me how to start a hair business. I think this is a very normal topic on YouTube channel. Actually, you can start finding this kind of topics on YouTube. But for me, I just want to talk different things to teach you guys how to be very smart in this hair business and how to be really an entrepreneur in this hair business. Firstly, you need to open the map, the world map to check, to understand where the hair is from. Mostly all the hair they are from China, India, and all the whole Asian countries. You open the map, Asian countries including China, India, Myanmar, Vietnam, a lot of Asian countries. So for we are selling the Asian hair, including Chinese hair, of course. And secondly, you need to calculate the population in each country. For example, China has the biggest population in the world. That means we have the largest quantity hair in the world to export worldwide. And then it comes to Indian hair. It's the second largest. India has the second biggest population in the world. So these two main countries export the hair to the world. And then it comes to Vietnam, Myanmar, Indonesia, and different small countries here. But I want to tell you something that as time goes by in the future, you need to understand how to collect the healthy hair. The more developed country has the more hair and healthier hair. For example, in China, now Chinese hair is the healthiest hair in the world, and